Welcome back to Bone Smoking Sizzle. Today we will be making a Brazilian sausage which is called Linguica, and it's a fresh sausage. This sausage is made from beef and pork, dried herbs and fresh herbs. From the meat side we need 600 grams of lean beef, which you can see here on the left hand side. Then we need 300 grams of pork belly, which you can see here in the middle. And we also need 100 grams of pork back fat, which you can see here on the right hand side. From the herbs and spices we need 18 grams of table salt. We need 2.5 grams of ground black pepper per kilo. We need 3 grams of fresh chopped parsley per kilo. We need 3 grams of fresh chopped spring onions per kilo. And we need 7 grams of crushed garlic per kilo. We also need 30 grams or 30 milliliter of ice water per kilo. On the casing we use pork casings. We'll be using 30-32 mil, or if you have 32 to 34 mil. The other thing what we need is the 10 mil blade and the 6 mil blade for the grinder. We start off with the 10 mil blade. I have set up the grinder now with the 10 mil blade, and we use this only for the pork meat, not for the beef. Let's start grinding the pork meat through the 10 mil blade. And also the pork fat. So that's it. What we do now is we switch over to the 6 mil blade and grind the beef. Okay, I've switched over now to the 6 mil blade, and let's grind the beef. So the beef is done as well. That's it. So we are done. Let's start mixing. Let's start mixing it. The first thing is we put in the salt, then the pepper, parsley and the spring onion. Now we need to crush in the garlic. So, see if we get this into one. That's the garlic done. Let's give that an initial mix. We don't put in the water yet. Now you can smell the garlic. I'm loving it. And now we put some water in there. There we go. Now we need to get a binding mix. That will take a few minutes. So slowly it's getting there. Has a nice coarse cut. That will be a good looking sausage. So that's ready now. Let's have a look what it looks like. That's what the mix looks like. You can see nice coarse cut. So let's put this in the filler. Let's get this in. You can really smell it, really nice. Push it down so we don't have, or we try to avoid as much air as possible. That's it. Let's start filling. Let's get the casing ready. They've been soaking now for about 30 minutes. Find the end. Put 2 fingers in it. I've shown you many times. It's the easy way. Scoop up some water. Just get a little bit of water inside and start pulling it up. Make sure you push the water out now. So let's make a knot in it. Let's start filling. Bit of water on the casing, and we fill the sausage semi-firm. Oh, that's nearly done. That's it. Take the knife and we cut off the casing now. Take this one off. Let's start twisting them. What we want to do is we want to make them around 15 centimeters long. I prefer them about a bit bigger than 15, so about 16, 17. So press and turn. Then you get nice sausages. And just take it easy. When you do that, you don't want to break them. And over time, you get better. So, and the last one we just turn by hand. So they are done. Let's have a look what they look like. As you can see, they're very good looking sausages. Beautiful cut in it. You can see the beef, the pork, and the variations of the color. Also the green from the parsley. Looking very good. As you can see, the Brazilian Linguiça is not hard to make. It's easy to make. It's a very good looking sausage because you got the beef in there, and which is fine cut through the 6mm blade. And you also got the pork, which is the belly and the fat, and it's going through the 10mm blade. So you got this beautiful color variations going on, and also from the cut. I hope you liked that video from the Linguiça. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the video, share the video, tell others about it. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Have fun, make sausages and enjoy them. Till the next time, see ya and bye bye.